Page number 3, try these. Chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Question number 1. Use the digits without repetition and make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. हमारे पास डिजिट्स कौन से दिए गए हैं? 2, 8, 7 एंड 4. अभी हमें ग्रेटेस्ट, पहले तो हम स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट 4-digit नंबर बनाते हैं. स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर क्या कैसे बनेगा? पहले तो इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिख लीजिए, ठीक है. रफ में करनी है ये असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखने का काम, सो दैट इट कैन मेक यू क्लियर हाउ यू कैन राइट दी 4-digit नंबर smallest, either smallest or greatest. Like when we write these digits in ascending order, it will be look like 2, 4, 7, 8. Okay. Then we know that we have to make a smallest 4-digit number. So we should pick the smallest number first, then second smallest number, and third smallest number, fourth smallest number to make the smallest 4-digit number. 2, 4, 7, 8. Like you can think, in the previous videos also I told you that the number, when we have to compare two numbers which is greater or smaller, we see first digit from the right side, either it is greater or smaller. So when we have to make a smallest 4-digit number, then we know that we should choose ascending order of the digits so that we can make smallest 4-digit number of that particular digits, and greatest 4-digit number that can be made from these 4 digits is descending order of these digits: 8, 7, 4, 2. 8, 7, 4, 2. The mind making process is that why we choose descending order of these numbers as a greatest 4-digit number and ascending order of these digits as a smallest 4-digit number, because we also read in previous videos that the first digit from the right side is firstly comparable to the either digits that can be the either numbers that can be made from these digits. Like we can form a number 4, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 4, 8. And in this way we can make some numbers with the help of these digits. But when we have to choose the smallest means जितने भी डिजिट्स इसमें बन सकते हैं, इन डिजिट्स को यूज करते हुए जितने भी नंबर्स बन सकते हैं, उन सभी नंबर्स में से सबसे छोटा जो 4-digit नंबर बने वो हमें लिखना है, ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास जितने भी नंबर्स बनेंगे उनमें सबसे छोटा वही बनेगा जो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखा होगा, क्योंकि जब भी हम फर्स्ट राइट साइड से फर्स्ट डिजिट्स को कंपेयर करेंगे इसके साथ, तो ये सबसे छोटा आएगा. लाइक 2, ओके 2 सेम आ गया तो हम सोचते हैं कि सेकंड डिजिट को कंपेयर करते हैं, तो 4 आ गया, यहाँ पे 7 आ गया, सो इट मीन्स इट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट. ऐसे बहुत से नंबर बन सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो उन सभी को कंपेयर करके भी अगर आप लिखो तब भी आपको दिखेगा दैट दिस इज द ओनली स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट 4-digit नंबर. सो in the same way we will solve rest of the parts of this question. So please stay up to last of this video and subscribe my channel if you like the video. Now here we have part B of the same question, where we will use the same concept as we use in part A. Like here the digits given are 9, 7, 4 and 1. To make smallest 4-digit number, here we use ascending order: 1, 4, 7, 9. That's it. So smallest 4-digit number that can be made using these digits is 1, 4, 7, 9. which is also known as 1479. In the same way, greatest 4-digit number will be descending order, which look like 9, 7, 4 and 1. 9741, or also known as 9741. Please note it down. And our next part is 4750. Here, smallest number, 4-digit number obviously. अब यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट है कि अगर हमने असेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिखा इसका, विच विल लुक लाइक 0, 4, 5 and 7, बट अगर इसी असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में यहाँ पे लिख दे तो एक प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी, दैट इज कि 0 आगे लिखने पे 0, 4, 5, 7 ये नंबर बन गया, लेकिन ये तो 4-digit नंबर ही नहीं रहा, तो ये स्मॉलेस्ट 4-digit नंबर हो ही नहीं सकता. देन वी हैव टू चूज a number which is like smallest भी हो और 4-digit number भी बने. तो ये तो हमें पता है कि 0 सबसे पहले आगे नहीं आ सकती, लेकिन क्या 0 सेकंड नंबर पे आ सकती है? अगर यही नंबर 4057 लिख दिया जाए, is it correct or not? Yes, it is correct. It is also a 4-digit number and smallest among the all numbers that can be formed using these digits. How we get to know कि this is the smallest? Like we have to arrange this in ascending order in such a way that 0 should not be in the first place. It can be on second, it can be on third, it can be on fourth, but we have to assure that it should be a smallest digit number. This is the only smallest digit number when we try to arrange in such a way 4507 or 4570. And here we can think that when 4 is first digit from right side is same, then we have to check the second digit from the right side, and which is showing that 4057 is the smallest 4-digit number that can be made, and greatest 4-digit number will be when we write these digits in descending order, 7540. That's it. Please note it down. Our next part is 1762. Here, using same concept, arrange the digits in ascending and descending order, which is 1, 2, 6, 7 ascending order, and descending order is 7, 6, 2, 1. So this is smallest and this is greatest. That's it. Note it down. Our next part is 5403. Arrange them in ascending order 0, 3, 4, 5, and descending order is 5, 4, 3, 0. Here the same problem is arising, that when we put the 0 at the right first digit at the place of 1000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, at the thousands place, this number will become 3-digit number only, but we have to choose 4-digit number. So smallest number will be 3045. Here also we place the 0 on the second right digit as a second right digit, so that it can become a 4-digit number and the smallest too. And greatest will be 5430, as here is no issue of placing 0. so please note it down. Hope you are doing well in your studies. Best of luck. सब्सक्राइब कर लेना चैनल को. Like the video if you really get something to learn from this video, and thank you for watching this video.